Hey, what's up guys? My name is Adrian. I'm a local realtor here in West Michigan. Today we're going to be talking about 10 reasons not to buy a condo. Now, go ahead and hit that subscribe and like button and tap that notification bell. I put out new videos every week with all the information you could ever need about buying or selling homes. And if you have any interest in moving here to West Michigan, my contact info is here on the screen. I'd be more than happy to help you out. I'll be the one personally answering all those text messages, phone calls, and emails. Don't hesitate to reach out to me for anything. There's no dumb questions. Real estate is a complicated topic, and I know it can be a pain and very stressful to go through the process from start to finish. So let's go ahead and get into it. Our top 10 reasons you shouldn't buy a condo. Now, there's a lot of misconceptions about owning a condo, and if you believe any of them, you should really reanalyze what it's actually going to be like before you buy one. The number one mistake I see is believing that you have total freedom to renovate and decorate. Keeping in mind that you don't actually own the electrical, plumbing, anything on the other side of the drywall, you may not be permitted to make any major alterations, any major renovations like tearing down walls, adding a second bathroom. They'll require board approval in terms of decor. They may even have regulations over window covering colors or what you're allowed to hang up in front of your front door. Number 2, my balcony will be my barbecue haven. Barbecues are usually banned in condos because fire rules don't allow propane tanks to be transported in elevators. So unless that balcony has an existing natural gas line, you likely aren't going to be doing any barbecuing. Third misconception, the condominium board will pay for the big expenses. Actually, you are the condo board. While you may not have an official role on the board, as an owner, you own a certain percentage of that condo. Part of the fees you pay go towards a reserve fund to pay for things like new roofs. Thus, the board is using your money when they spend this reserve. And if there isn't enough money in the fund to pay for repairs, they'll either increase the condo maintenance fee or charge you a lump sum payment. Another major mistake I see, I don't need insurance. My condo fees cover it. True, but the insurance included in your fees cover only the building itself. You still need to buy content insurance for all of your personal belongings. For example, your fridge, your stove, things like that. Let's get into number 5. My 80-pound German Shepherd will be living with me in my condo. Practically every condo has rules restricting pets from number and kinds of animals to size. Most commonly, we see a 2-pet minimum and a size restriction for dogs, often about 25 pounds. If you don't want to give up your pets, let me know about them before you buy a condo. Number 6, I'd rather own a home because condo fees are too expensive. Owning a condo is almost always cheaper than owning a home. House owners have higher utility bills and insurance payments, pay for water, garbage, and sewer, and should budget a good percentage of your monthly payment for maintenance and repair costs. Condo board meetings are irrelevant to me. I don't have to go to them. False. Sure, condo living means being at the mercy of the other owners and condo board. That as an owner, you do get a vote on the meetings. Make it count if you don't agree with the rules. They may pass. Just be prepared if they may not clean the windows as often as you'd like, or they increase fees to pay for facilities you don't use. Regardless, there's a ton of relevant information that impacts your day-to-day life. So stay active and make sure you know what's going on. Number 8, all condo fees are created equal. Inclusion and maintenance fees vary. Some condos include all utilities, while others only include water, some include cable TV, and some have separate fees for parking and lockers. Moreover, while most buildings charge owners based on the size of their unit, other buildings usually have the same fees regardless. A bonus for bigger units and an unfortunate reality for smaller ones. Number 9, if I have a problem in my building, I should post it on social media. It's tempting to air out your concerns on social media, but your post about the broken elevator or noise on the street might impact the value of your condo down the road and hurt you when it comes time to sell your condo. So make sure that any complaints you have, you're bringing up to the board and not just airing it out to the public, because you don't want to decrease the value of your home when you turn around and sell it. 10, I have an unobstructed view of everything. In a city, views change all the time, so unless your condo has air rights, don't get too attached to your view. That park across the street may become another building sooner than you think. Now, if you buy a condo that has a dock, that could be a different story. You could have a beautiful sea view all year round, regardless of what new construction comes. But just know that things change, places advance, stuff gets torn down, and new stuff gets built. Is condo living for you? That's only up to you to decide. As always, I'd be happy to chat about the pros and cons of buying a condominium. Feel free to reach out to me. My name is Adrian Valdez. I'm a realtor in West Michigan. Again, my contact info here. Give me a call, give me a text, and let's get you into your next home. I'll talk to you guys later.